How to log in Citi Double Cash Card online account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel, Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to Citi Double Cash Card online account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Citi Double Cash Card. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the very first link you see there. Now, if you have not applied for Citi Double Cash Card yet, then you can tap on the Apply Now button you see there and follow the on-screen prompts and get yourself enrolled for Citi Double Cash Card. And if you already have applied for Citi Double Cash Card, then head towards the sign in process. To sign in, tap on the sign on option on the top right of your screen. You will see the login portal on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and enter your user ID and password, and if you want the device to remember your login details, then select the Remember User ID checkbox and then tap on the Sign On button, and with this, you will be logged in. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, then you can always tap on the Forgot Password or User ID option and recover your login credentials and log in further. And if you do not have an account yet, or if you have not activated your account yet, then you can tap on the Register or Activate option respectively and follow the on-screen prompts further. Once logged in, tap on the three lines you see there and further tap on the Double Cash Card option. So, this is how you can log in to Citi Double Cash Card online account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.